Welcome again. Today we'll continue again with the grammar topic narration. Worksheet 2. Look at the following table about change in tenses in reported speech. In direct speech, to be verb form is, am, are is changed to was, were. Was, were, past tense is changed to perfect tense, had, been. Present perfect, has, have is changed to past perfect. Past perfect had, there is no change. Had been changes to no, there is no change in that. It is a continuous past perfect continuous tense. Do, does, again it is present tense, is changed to past tense. Did, past tense, there is changes that have been made here is perfect tense, past perfect tense. Had done. Past perfect tense, there is no change in indirect narration. Will, shall, future tense is changed to would and should. May and can is changed to might and could. Would, should, might, could, ought to, used to. These children, they are modal auxiliary verbs, and these modal auxiliary verbs, there is no change in it. Another, must, had to, depending upon the situation, upon the context. Now here, change of words expressing time and place. This and these changes to that and those. Here changes to there. Now changes to then. Ago changes to before. Yesterday changes to the previous day or the day before. Tomorrow changes to the next day or the following day. Today changes to that day. So, the table that we saw here about the tenses in the reported speech, that means from direct to indirect, the necessary changes that we have to make in the tense of to be form of verbs is there. The next table which is there, the expressing words expressing time and place. Now we have to read this following table carefully. Conversion of direct speech into the reported speech. I will now take this in the board. Our first topic is assertive type of sentence. Now, what is assertive? Assertive means a positive sentence. Now, what is there? We have to remove comma. Remove comma is removed, and what is added? That is used as a conjunction. Second point number 2, said is changed to told, stated, remarked, answered, replied, argued, promised, etc. Depending on the sentence communication, what the meaning is being conveyed. If it is told, we have to write said is changed to told. If there is a statement, he stated. If there is any remark, we have to write remarked. If he is giving a reply, it is answered or replied also. If there is an argument, it can be argued. And if there is a promise, we can write promised. So this is the second rule. Now the third rule, tenses. Tenses, personal pronouns, personal pronouns, possessive, and words expressing time. Words expressing time and place are changed. Place are changed as per the rules needed. As the rules already discussed in the two tables. We saw today two tables. One is of the personal pronouns to be form of verbs, and the other is where it is showing expressing time and place. So we learned two tables according to that. Now let us see the example. Ravi said to Pooja, comma, inverted commas, I can solve this sum. And that is. Now children, this is direct and this is indirect. What I have to change is this sentence will be written as Ravi. This said will be changed to told Pooja. Now, as yesterday I had stated, and here it is written, remove comma. So we get rid of this comma, and also the second personal pronouns are changed. So Ravi told Pooja, I put a conjunction that. Now who said? It is Ravi. So the pronoun for that is third person is he. Told Pooja that he can is changed to could solve. This is changed to expressing time and place. The second table that we had seen, children, this is changed to that. He could solve that sum. This is the answer. Similarly, second example I give here. Dev said, I have been reading this book for an hour. Now, and this is direct, I change to indirect narration. They've told, sorry, said that he had been reading that book for an hour. So these are the two examples, children, based on the assertive sentence. I hope that you would have understood it very clearly. Once again, I explain the two sentences of assertive sentence. Ravi said to Pooja, I can solve this sum. Now, indirect narration. Said is changed to told. Ravi told Pooja. Now, I am joining these two sentences. So, these two sentences are joined by a conjunction that. I is changed to he. Can is changed to could. He could solve. This is changed to that sum. Similarly, second sentence, Dave said, I have been reading this book for an hour. Now here there is no listener. Therefore, Dave said, and after that I am putting a conjunction that. I is changed to he. Have present perfect tense is changed to past perfect continuous tense. He had been reading that. This is changed to that. That book for an hour. Thank you. I'll continue the next type of question in my next class.